Hello, this is Andrew Greess at Quality Equipment Qspray.com, your spray equipment expert. Today we're talking about Birchmeier backpack and installing the new style shoulder straps. So the new part number for these shoulder straps is 12054901, and these shoulder straps are designed to fit both the new AT3 style Birchmeier backpack as well as the older style backpack. And this is what comes in the box or the bag. And the first part you're going to see are these fixing keys. So the straps are installed in both styles of backpack with the fixing keys, the same way you took the old ones out. Nothing has changed at the top of the strap. What's changed is the bottom of the strap. And the bottom of the strap has this round doohickey here. And this is for the new style backpack. And you see it just clips right into there. It's a perfect fit. It's real simple. The biggest issue seems to be with the old style backpack and these steel clips that come with it, and how do we use those? We've got this question from a number of customers, so we want to do this quick video for you. So here's a video that shows how to do it. And then once that metal hook is on there, it just hooks into the bottom of the old style backpack like the old style straps. It's very simple. So thanks so much for watching. When you need Birchmeier backpacks, parts, or repair kits, please visit us at Qspray.com. Have a great day.